What if I told you that one of the most India iconic off-road names could soon return in a completely different form without the sound of petrol engine? Yes, we are talking about the Mahindra Thar E, an electric SUV that will completely change that what we expect from the legendary Thar family. But here's the real question. Can an electric Thar deliver the same rushed attitude, adventure, and excitement that made the original Thar so popular? The Mahindra Thar E is expected to bring a bold new interpretation of Thar nameplate, combining futuristic electric technology with a tough and adventure-focused SUV design. Unlike the traditional Thar, this upcoming electric SUV is expected to feature a modern futuristic exterior with sharp lines, distinctive lighting, and a muscular stance that could make it simply recognizable on the road. But the biggest surprise could be hiding underneath. The Thar E is expected to be based on a Mahindra Thar dedicated electric vehicle platform, potentially offering a strong performance and impressive electric capabilities. And because electric motors deliver instant torque, this SUV could have the potential to deliver quick acceleration while also being capable of handling challenging terrain. And this is where the things get really interesting. Imagine the driving silently through a forest trail, climbing a steep off-road section, or exploring a long distance with instant electric torque available whenever you need it. The interior could be the major departure from the current Thar. We could expect a futuristic cabin with advanced digital displays, modern technology, connected features, and a premium design that could make the Thar E feel more like a next generation electric vehicle. But there's only one thing everything is waiting to know. How much will it cost? The Mahindra could possibility the Thar EV as premium electric SUV, which means its pricing could be significantly higher than the regular Thar. However, final price and specification will depend on the production version and Mahindra's official announcement. The biggest challenge for Thar E could be balancing two completely different worlds, modern electric mobility and authentic off-road capability. If Mahindra gets combination right, the Thar E could become much more than just another electric SUV. It could bring a completely new identity for the Thar, and here's the big question that could divide the SUV enthusiasts. Can an electric Thar truly carry the legendary Thar name? We will have to wait for the production version to find out, but one thing is already clear. The Thar E has the potential to be one of the most interesting electric SUVs to come from India. So would you choose the traditional petrol or diesel Thar? Or would you go for electric with futuristic Thar E? The future of Thar could be electric and it might be closer than you think.